Hey everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today, April 1st, 2019. It's April Fool's Day, but yet this is not an April Fool's thing. This is for real, and that is Stellar, XML Stellar, XLM Stellar gets added to Coinbase's wallet. Yes, indeedy. So first, keep in mind before we look at that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. So let's go take a look at the article here, and the link to it is below. And this, guys, is hot off the press if you're watching. It is minutes old, okay? Anyways, so it says on Monday, April 1st, Coinbase announced that Coinbase Wallet, its user-controlled, non-custodial wallet app, for iOS and Android, both are being updated to include Stellar Lumens, what is up with that today? XLM support. It's like I held this coin for a year. Okay, so congratulations to that. This is exciting stuff. So one nice thing about the wallet on Coinbase is that it's super easy, right? Yeah, it is super easy. So this is really exciting stuff to see here. And let's see what else is going on in this article. Okay, here's how Coinbase explains the difference between Coinbase.com and the wallet. Okay, so what are they saying here? The consumer is a digital currency brokerage. You use it to buy or sell cryptocurrencies in exchange for fiat. Yeah. Coinbase Consumer can also act as a custodian, storing your digital currency for you after you purchase it. Coinbase Consumer is available in 32 countries. Wallet is a user custodied digital currency wallet and a dApp browser. Okay, so we know what that is, right? You guys can go ahead and read this on your own, but it is very, very exciting stuff. So yeah, the link is below. Tell me what you think about that. If you think what that is going to do to Stellar, if anything. So let's go take a look at Stellar here right quick. And that is XLM, which stands for lumens, right? Let's look at it versus ETH on Binance. Nah, do we want to do that? Yeah, why not? Okay, I'm on the 5-minute here. Let me scroll out to the 4-hour. I like the 4-hour. And yeah, so Stellar has been consolidating right around this area here, as signified by my high-tech wavy line here. So consolidating. But anyway, what's going on here? Kind of have like a little double bottom thing going on, right? Let's see if there's any other trends. Yeah, consolidation. This looks like a reaccumulation to me. A little bit of a reaccumulation. And so we'll see if it, usually, we'll see. Best luck to everyone that holds Stellar. As we can see, it has a long way to go up, which is great. It, could it be doing a test up here on this line? I think. Let's see. Taking a look at this. It hit that box, that box, that box. Yeah, it's just kind of going to get that off of there. Yeah, I know it's consolidating. Markup. Didn't quite make it. Tried to do a test up here and didn't quite make it. So it still looks like there's more supply. Yeah, so it could go up and try to test this again, but it looks like there's still more supply, so I think there's going to be another low here, another test low at some times as well. And it could be at this point or however far it goes down. That's what the test is, to determine how far it goes down and easily. Yeah, so this box here, I'm still keeping it. That is just me. Tell me what you think about Stellar, but yeah, it being added to the Coinbase wallet should, it can't hurt, right? Should be pretty good for it. But anyway, that's Stellar. What else is going on right now? Well, Bitcoin the big old B, Bitcoin, BTC, is above 3,200. Yeah. Yeah, this is on Bitfinex. BTC USD, this is on the 4 hour. And you can see, let me explain these lines here for you guys, okay? This is according to Wyckoff stuff. But right here, let me get this out. Right here, this area, that was the automatic rally. And it was created from this, which was the cause, and then that's the effect, right? Okay, so what you do is you draw a line, horizontal line at the bottom and at the top of the horizontal of the automatic rally, and that basically gives you your trading range. And so they're doing a bunch of hold tests. It's psychological warfare basically. But Bitcoin, yeah, it has this nice little trend going on, kind of being in this channel here, and we'll see what happens. It looks like it's coming up and testing it. But if we scroll on in, let me go ahead and scoot it over. And that's on the 4 hour. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour, 45 minute. Okay, so right here, that white line I just did, 40, well, pretty close to 4,200, right? So there you go. So it's been popping above 4,200, which is awesome. So we'll see if it stays there. And if we scroll back out again, right up here at this white line, so I'm going to get rid of the one I just drew. So right up here at this white line, that's the one that I'm looking for. That's at 4,280. And we'll see what happens with that, if it can break that. But so far, I mean, you know, Bitcoin's been doing its thing, and the one nice thing that I really like about Bitcoin is the angle of attack here, that it's not too aggressive. If we get out our little trend angle tool and we measure this, just gonna kind of eyeball it. So it's around 24-25% growth, right around in there. And I'll put that on top. See there? Not too far off, close enough for government work. But yeah, so that's at a nice trend. I was actually expecting growth on Bitcoin to be about 10 to 15% with the institutions in, but apparently they are a little bit more aggressive, and supply is a little bit shorter than I think they actually thought it would be. Yeah, I think they're running out of supply. Hence the very, very, very low volumes here. Very low volumes. Anyway, so we'll see. I'm keeping this little line, and you can see I have my target boxes here. If it hits them, yeah, it hits them. Great. If it doesn't, you know, no big deal. Also make sure that you have a plan for either way it goes, because notice I have target box way down here, and an awful lot of people think it's coming down, down, down. But not me. Right here, this was a big change in character when I think the CBOE players exited for the most part, and Fidelity's been in this for a long time. Okay, Fidelity's been in it for a long time, and they're just, let me put this thing back on auto. Yeah, Fidelity's been in it for a long time, mining and so on and so forth. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I know I have a whole bunch of garbage on here. But anyway, this is the weekly. And look at that, just boom, 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 boom. Yeah. There you go. Anyway, that's about it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to go over, see if anybody's on the chat. Just say hi. Just keep it real quick tonight. Ah, there's people. Hey, Christoph. How's it going, Christoph? I'm doing fine. How you doing? And Darnell says, "What's up, peeps?" Yeah, what's up, peeps? Hopefully they're all making money in crypto. So, yeah, we'll see. Oh, there was some other stuff going on here. So you got this thing, the COINBASE wallet. We'll see what that does to XRP. I don't think it's going to skyrocket it. Not, you know, last year and a half ago. Yeah, that would have been, yeah, it would have shot it up high, huh? Now it's, who cares, kind of. Anyway, here's some interesting news. World Bank praises Ripple and X Rapid. Wow. Okay, so they're just saying stuff here that basically, yeah, it could be potentially transformational technology. Yeah, we know that. It could be disruptive. Okay, fine. Do they say they're going to use it? No. That kind of bites, right? Ripple is getting all this great news, and XRP is getting nada. I mean, oh, we love Ripple, we love everything, but we're not going to use XRapid. No, it's like, oh man, it's like, come on, guys. Hopefully in the future we'll see what happens. Hopefully they use XRapid, right? That the X current is a foot in the door. So we'll see. It's not like I'm hating on XRP. It's just that, it's just, come on. How badly do they want to separate them? How badly does Ripple want to separate themselves from XRP? I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is, and best luck to everybody that holds Ripple, man. Excuse me, that holds XRP. Yeah, so let's see what is going on. Hey, Ryan, how's it going? Hey, Dances, how's it going? Guys have any questions? Not, I'm gonna bug out here real quick. Digibyte getting ready to explode. Always have to look at Digibyte, man. Digibyte. So this is on the weekly logarithmic. Don't know why I have that there. Let me go to the daily. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Okay, so the white lines here, trading range, because here's the automatic rally. People call it like a V shape. It's the automatic rally. Did a lower test here, testing, secondary test up here for higher bounds, testing here for lower bounds, seeing how much supply is out there. If people still want to sell, if they're not selling, then it's pretty much all gone. Or if they can sell, same as up here, they're all testing. They're all testing supply. How much supply is up here? How much supply is down here? The trick is to get all the supply and then bump it up after they have accumulated a whole bunch of the supply. Then they can bump it up real high, distribute it to the bank, to the retail people, the retail traders, in stealth mode, so they're not aware that they're getting baggage. And yeah. So anyway, is this thing ready to go? It's right up here. Did a secondary test. It's coming back up. It's going parabolic. Looks like how's the I like this, a green candle on a super low volume. You won't hear that from many people, will you? Super low volume, green candle going up. Look at the size of that green candle. It's like a speck, right? For the volume. It's a little speck. Get out of there, thing. And then look at the size of the candle. Jump. So we'll see if it spikes up. And that compared to this one, which was pretty good size volume, right? But this one is like not even a tenth of that. It's like a 20th, and it went up way more than a 20th in height. So as you can see that the liquidity, not the liquidity, but the amount of supply has been pretty much absorbed. See all these cells? See all these cells? They're buying, they're buying, they're buying, they're buying, they're buying. They're getting the coins, they're getting the coins. Now they have a whole bunch of the coins, and zip, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I'm liking Digibyte. I mean, I really like it. I would like to see it come up here above this line again. Will it do that? Probably not. Let me get rid of that thing. That was just an angle test. So, Digibite. Yeah, there it goes. The one nice thing about it is that it's above this line here. So we'll see if it goes. It might come down to test this line again, or test this range again. I mean, it could dump too, right? You guys, I mean, this thing can go all over. It can go all over, but right now it's on an uptrend, and I'm liking it. You know, it's looking strong. It's looking like it's about ready to be put into a markup phase. So let's go to Wyckoff. Mark up. And we'll look for some images. Breakout and markup. Ooh, interesting stuff. Yeah, so we have the accumulation. Springs don't necessarily have to be a huge downward V and then it comes up, like people say. Like a lot of people say, here's an example where it has to come down way far and then it goes up. Yeah, it does. Some do have that pattern, but not everything has to have that pattern. Okay. But if it does, you know, they call it a spring. So right now, let's assume that we are in a spring, that this was the spring, that they couldn't get it to go way down lower. Okay. Oh, can we get it go down here and then right to be more explosive? They couldn't get it down there. Okay. So they're just shooting it up, and they call this, if you look at the little diagram, the throwback here. Then it goes up, reaccumulation, and then boom. So you see that? So let's go here, throwback, goes up, reaccumulation, and then up. So basically, how you can, another way you can look at this is, let's see, right around here, about there. You could call this basically a mirror. So the right side, this side will mirror the left side. You see how that goes? Isn't that interesting? Yeah. So instead of like a V like this, it's just making a great big V. You see that? Cool. Let's go look at the daily. Let's go look at the monthly. Yeah, so a great big V. Boom, boom. So we'll see if that happens. You know, that'd be cool if it goes up that high. Could just go down low, right? You guys know what's going on. I think I'll leave that there. That looks kind of interesting. Just to remind me to talk about that in the future. Yeah, Digibite. Looking good to me, but do your research. Do your research. Getting ready to explode. Let's call it a controlled explosion, okay? Heavily controlled. But there you go. Boom, boom, boom. That's a little bit better. See that? If you guys can see this. So you have the accumulation phase there that I always talk about, you know. That's what these lines I draw all the time. Then it goes up. Yeah, I mean, you have these weird things like jump across the creek, low volume sell-offs. I mean, there's a whole bunch of terminology in here. Just basically look at Wyckoff images on Google for now, and then, you know, just try to find matches. You can get pretty far just doing that, okay? And then this is a particularly important one, or not important, but a good example, because down here, it's actually given the volume trends. Okay, and notice here, low volume, and and then it went up. Okay, see, real low volume. Had somebody the other day say, I've never seen anything like that before in my life. Nothing follows that low volume pattern. Boom, 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 boom. It's like, okay, dude. Yeah, he's just a noob or something. Whatever. Anyway, best of luck to him. He's a trader and we're all in crypto, so it's all cool, man. It's all cool. Dances says, been familiarizing myself with Stellar X, the exchange. Yeah, how's that working for you? I signed up for it when it was in beta and stuff. So you like it, hate it, does it work? You know, that type of stuff. And Peter wants to know, is Stellar real? Yeah, I would say Stellar is more real than XRP is. Ripple is real, okay? XRP can be fake. But, I mean, I'm not saying it's fake. I'm saying it's a lot, it could be a lot more fake than Ripple, okay? Ripple, they're different, all right? It's different. That's like comparing JP Morgan and JPM coin. They're separate. But is Stellar real? Yeah, I think Stellar's real. Is Digibyte real? Yeah, I think it's real. I like Stellar. It's one of my top picks and has been for a long time. I just got out of it, you know, for got to take profits, you know. So I'm just looking at opportunities later on to where I can get larger returns. I think right now I'm into coins that can get larger returns than Stellar can. Okay. But yeah, I think it's real. So yeah, do your research on it. One cool thing about Stellar, I mean, it's IBM is not going to push Stellar if it's fake. I mean, there is no way. They would vet that thing for sure. There's no way, in my opinion. Can I guarantee that 100%? No, nothing's guaranteed. But they have IBM, man, and you really don't get more legit than that, in my opinion. Yeah. I mean, that's right up there with DNVGL, okay? And yeah, DNVGL, as far as a legit company, you bet. IBM, DNVGL, legit. Yeah, XLM listed on COINBASE on the wallet. Let's bring up the little picture on the wallet. This is just out. The link is below. Okay, I mean, this is like fresh news, man. Minutes. It's minutes old from when I started the video. Okay, within minutes. Dances is saying, I think XLM has value. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, EVX. I did a video on that not too long ago. Not very long ago, just a few videos ago. And go back and take a look at my videos. But EVX is doing some stuff. They actually went up because of news instead of rumor, which is quite interesting. That makes it quite interesting. And what happened with them is that they got permission to actually start doing stuff in New Jersey. So yeah, I mean, they you know, it's a limited thing on what they can do, like bringing on but at least they're allowed to like start onboarding customers and stuff like that. So that's really cool. But yeah, check out EVX. That's Evrex up 30%. But as you can see here, it's, you know, took a dump, but at least it's consolidating up in this range. Okay, which is really cool. So you know, just long, see this is just long accumulation trading zone. Okay, but one thing to note, bumped This is on the 30-minute. Let's go to the day. I was thinking that looked kind of strange. Yeah, so it just went up to its high up here. As you can see here, if we chart this thing, so down here we have a line. Up here we have a line. That's its trading range. So yeah, trading ranges can really stink. Anyway, yeah, this thing just popped out of it unexpectedly from the news, and it's trading above the trading range. And yeah, interesting. So we'll see what happens with this bad boy. Best of luck to him. You know, best of luck to him. So that's great. Actually doing something. But yeah, thanks for the comment. Yeah, Everex, big pump, right? Big pump. But it's off of news, not rumor. That's the important thing. Ken says same chart for Digibyte at DX Exchange as your example. Oh, well, that's cool. Digibyte, Digibyte, hit the likes if you like Digibyte. Hit the likes if you hold Digibyte. Hit the likes if you're gonna hold Digibyte even when it moons. Just having fun. Gotta have fun. Peter wants to know, did Stellar get listed on Coinbase? I think it got listed on Coinbase Pro. They're a good old GDEX, right? Let's go to Coinbase. As you can see, I never go there. Seldom do I go there. Okay, so on regular Coinbase, it doesn't look like anything products. Okay, so there's the wallet. Let's go to the Pro. I hope we're advanced enough users to even look at this. You know, I haven't looked at this thing in over a year. I have got to say. Go to markets. Okay. So there's XRP. There's XLM USD. Go. Full trading. Okay. That's what I was looking for, the actual Proofarama. Here's another one that's interesting. Mana, which is Decentraland. It's kind of like, what is that like? Second Life, whatever that was, but you can buy virtual real estate in a video game or whatever. Yeah, a lot of people like that. I mean, we'll see, but it's just interesting. I mean, that thing has just been kind of going up for a while, but yeah. So the thing is with this, so Coinbase Pro, it's on, okay, but it just got added to the mobile wallet, which is for Android and iOS. So tomorrow, the day after, next few days, it's just going to pop up, and there it is. Okay, so let's see if they have it here. If we go to wallet, if they have a list. I'm looking. I don't see it here yet. I gotta get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. I think I killed that that news. Let me see. Oh, here's a good news title. Exchange volumes may be fake, but Bitcoin's value is real. Yeah, that's right. Okay, here it is. Yeah, Coinbase wallet adds support for Stellar Lumens in both iOS and Android. Yeah, so I have a link below to this. You can click on that and find it. If you don't go to TradingView, the news feeds here are actually pretty good. Okay. Bitcoin's above 4250. Let's go look at BTC. I'll look at it on Bitfinex here. Let's take a look at it on. Let's look at the 3-minute. Whoa, my gosh, a Jedi candle. Let's zoom out here. Yeah, let's zoom out a lot. Let's go to the 45-minute. Okay, see what the heck is there. Oh crap. Oh crap, it's still going up. We were just looking at it and it was right here, and I was saying that, yeah, looking for it to test up here and go past the 4200. Right now it's almost at 4500. So that is like really, yeah, okay, I said really enough. Look at that. Let's go to the 1 minute, because this is a market maker. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Jack, jack, jack. Whammo, bammo. It is. Look how it's affecting the scale of everything. Giganormous. It's going towards my box. Keep on going, baby. Okay, this is like live exciting. This is like what everyone was hoping. What is it doing? It's clearing out the shorts. Look at that bad boy. It's above 4,500 right now, guys. Now you know why I do streams at this time. I usually do trading, start preparing for trading at about 7:30 Pacific Standard Time. And fun, interesting things always seem to happen right around 9. Excuse me, anywhere between 8:30 and 10. Don't know why, but this thing's still going. Finally a retrace. That was at 4220. Let me scroll in. This is on the 1 minute, guys. Huge volumes. Because if we look at this at smaller time frames, it's just going to be a Jedi, right? Okay, the acceleration is slowing down. You can tell that by the slope. So it's not going parabolic, and that's on the 1 minute. But it's getting, looks like it could be getting a little bit tired. Okay, could be an inflection point here. If you guys remember your calculus, where you have a tangent, it's not drawn quite right. And then wherever this is supposed to be a straight line, it's not going straight. But wherever it does goes from the curve pointing down to the curve pointing up, you have your inflection point there. Yeah, I'm sure you guys really wanted to know that. But you actually can use calculus for some analytical stuff on the curves. But what is this guy doing? Okay, it's just doing a little doji. A little spinning top. Indecisiveness, right? Lower volume, so we got a huge volume here. 1, 2, 3 minutes for a huge volume. And then it slowed down. So let's go take a look at this on The 5 minute. 1, 2, 3. Let's go look at it on the 4 hour. Yeah, look at that, guys. So I was saying yesterday, my video, Bitcoin doesn't respect us at all. It has no respect. It didn't care. It didn't care about that line. That line was critical, Bitcoin. You blew through it like you just didn't even care. You didn't even see it drawn on my chart. I gotta talk to the management people at Bitcoin. I gotta tell them about that and complain. Well, I don't think I'll complain about that, but it just has total disrespect, and I'm okay with that. Oh, I didn't have auto on there. Okay. Oh, big resistance. This is something I'm expecting when we watch it blow through 6,000. I'm looking for disrespect. And last night I was talking about it, how in this range it just has up to go, and how the low volume on how they can have it push up. Okay, on how it can be pushed up. And here's an interesting thing. Notice how you take this and just move it up there. Bingo. Nice trading range, right? It's at the same slope. That's why I'm always trying to get that slope just right. I don't care if it hits exactly on the thing. I'm trying to get the slope of where it's going to go, because when you have these closes, this is a think of it as a BART pattern, but it is on an angle. People call BART pattern. I've been calling it a box pattern, but you have them on angles right there. So you have a parallelogram going on, right? Because this will be, the bottom. See that? A little slanted rectangle parallelogram. Same thing here. Notice it went right up there. And so, yeah, that was a bot. That was a bot. And let's go take a look at the shorts. Okay, this is on the day. So yeah, they were climbing, weren't they? They were going up a bit. They got dumped down. They were going up a bit. Looks like it went above that level. We'll see. Was it a big squeeze? No. We'll see how many people got wrecked on that one. These were big squeezes, right? So we'll see if it comes back down. That'll be an interesting thing. And right now it's at 45. Yeah, since this video, it's gone up $300, right? It's going up again. 45.20. Way cool. That's awesome. Peter says, this is crazy, dude. That's why I give you guys so much time. I come out with things days before I think the energy is going to happen for them. And it's like the whole bull run thing. I started that, October. And then people are they're in the denial stage that we're not in a bull run. And okay, fine. I'll grant them that. We're in a bull trot. We're not in a bull run yet. Bull run is where this thing would have been up to 6,000 by now. Okay. In this one candle, I think that's the kind of volatility we're going to be seeing. See these candles here on the red? Yeah, I think. Yeah, look, 1, 2. That was only 2 candles. Boom, boom. I think we'll be seeing those kind of candles Like here. Boom, boom. Real quick. Boom, boom, up. So we'll see. But yeah, this is crazy. So it's at 4,500. And so it's just going up and down. See what it's doing over here on... oh gosh, how did this affect the price of VET? I don't care about VET, man. Okay, so a little bit adversely, but VET was going up. So things are looking pretty good here. VET USD's up 4.3%. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, it cooled off. This makes it even nicer. But I mean, it cooled off. The slope isn't as great as it was. That makes it better. Think of it as being a candle. A very bright candle burns itself out fast. Let's go look at BTC here. Yeah, boom. So right up here to this level is where all the they'll say, "Oh yeah, I just came up here to this level." Looking over here. That'll be their thing tomorrow. To me, it's Wyckoff and predictable, right? Pretty awesome stuff to witness, isn't it? Ryan says, "Damn!" Yeah. Hey, Peter, thanks for the tip on it being like 4 to 320, so we can go take a look and watch that Jedi, man. That's awesome. Oh, XRP as well? Let's go look at XRP. Yeah. Yeah. It went up, but it's not the same. For XRP, for what it just did in Bitcoin, would have brought it up to about this level here. Okay? But yeah, it did go up, and so that's cool. One thing to look at XRP is that, yeah, it has this let's see, I already have it. Just trying to hit it on these two little guys here. Boom, boom. Come on. I want to do it at the... Yeah, let's do it at the wicks. Hit the wick. Boom. Extend out. Keep your eye on the wick. Whammo. Okay, so it's consolidating and it's getting smaller and smaller. The volatility in this is getting smaller and smaller. The volume is getting really small. That was a very... Look at this, guys. This is what I'm talking about with supply and demand and the people having the volume. When they own the market, which is why they're doing the test. Can they push it around whichever way they want? Once they have that, they can push it up or down with the slightest of ease. And the thing is that no matter how many people are bearish out there, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's like yesterday we're talking about deception. To read Sun Tzu, The Art of War. Okay. Whammo bammo, there you go. So we'll see if XRP is going up. So that's cool. So congrats to XRP, but it's still here in this trading range, and we'll see what it does. But it's on this nice consolidating. Okay, one. look at the wicks. Look at the height of the candle, including the wicks, okay? That gives you your basic volatility, how its range of movement for, you know, just that time period in that candle, okay? So this one, this more volatility, right, than this. And as you can see here, high volatility, high volume. Well, it's not high, but relatively high. The volatility is decreasing overall on average to like nothing, okay? Same as the volume decreasing, boom, to nothing. And so it didn't take hardly anything to push XRP up because somebody holds the coins. It's called a composite operator. And so with XRP, we actually have, that line's not that important right there. It's actually this one. This one right here. So let me, bottom of the wick. And whammo. So I'm looking at that wick right there. And okay, so it went above the wick, so that's cool. But yeah, so we have this huge ass trading range here. It's absolutely gigantic for XRP. Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. What else do I have on here? That was, I was showing that to for something else about drawn in quadrants. Okay, much cleaner. So the top of the trading range. Yeah, I'm gonna call this one the automatic rally. So this is just an absolutely yeah, because that was like a failed. This is just an absolutely gigantic trading range, okay, between here and here. And so what you do is you look for really large swings in volatility that can occur up and down, okay? And for XRP, it's way higher than my liking, all right? And granted, yeah, it's doing this thing, you can draw it like that, whatever. And then which way is it going to go? I don't know. I'm not into that. But checking this out, supply is getting less, volatility is getting less. This leads to what people call a coiling down, okay? Same thing here, and then whammo, it dumped. Looks like it did a little bit of a dump. Didn't get much reaction. They've been testing the dumps here on how far it can go down. It's pretty close to like there, right? I mean, right there it goes down, test, and it's just doing tests, and so then it pushed it up a bit, and so we'll see if it goes up even higher. Yeah, so congrats to all the people out there that saw that go up. Let's get back to BTC real quick. Oh, it hit my box, guys. You see that? It hit my box. Hold on. I'll be back in a second. Cool. All right. Awesome. Okay, yeah, hit my box. Okay, so next one, this guy, right? At 58.75, let's call it. Close enough. This was from remote viewing, okay? Pretty cool. Just hit that box. Whammo, bammo. It did a very similar thing. Right there. Boom. And yes, I count the wicks. It just hit that wick. What do you think I had going on there? You tell me. And but that was from remote viewing. And I know people say, oh, it's all BS and stuff. But hey, there was my box. It's been there for a very long time. You can go back and look at my videos. It hits the box. Hit the box. Way cool. So we'll see if it hits this one. What that means now is that since it hit that box, the likelihood of it hitting these boxes are far, far less. Let me clean that up. Can it still go down? Absolutely. Because this is where a lot of people are saying, oh, it has to go down. Reason being is because they're looking at this, and it is ingrained into their head that what goes up must come down. That's not necessarily true. What goes up can keep on going up, because the market maker has infinitely more time and money than you do. And so they can just keep pushing this up. That's one of the reasons I've been showing Lockheed, LMT. Yeah. So, I mean, check this out. Up. And that was back in, January of 2010. 2011. No, March 2011. Yeah, it can go up for a long time. That's why I've been bullish on BTC. And because of that, let's get out of the month. Let's go back to 5 minute. 5 minutes fun. Well, 5 minutes not very fun. Yeah, it's retraced quite a bit, but it did hit that box, so I did something. Hope that wasn't me. Anyway, so we'll see. Yeah, it's it's dropping back down, which is, I mean, that's what happens, right? And it's catching. So we'll see. Yeah, that would be really cool if it consolidates up here in this box and just eats through it. That would be totally awesome. I'd love that. Yeah, everybody's like saying, holy shit. No doubt, huh? Oh yeah, EVX, yeah, second best high bank, yeah. EVX has some stuff going on for it, guys. Do your research, okay? Had fantastic news regarding New Jersey in the U.S. Hey Todd, how's it going? Just saw your sign there. We're busy looking at the Jedi candle on Bitcoin here, having fun. Oh, can EVX reach $2 tonight? I don't know. Let's go look at EVX. See what's going on. That was on ETH, right? EVX 21%. I think it's coming down. Wow. Binance is a little bit slow. Let me hit F5. The volume on that's got to be crazy. Okay, so ETH. Let's go to EVX. Price is $1.24, $1.25. That would have to be a pretty pretty big jump, right? $2 by tonight. Depends what they announce, right? Depends what they announce. Just looking at the chart. Let me get this auto thing off. Let's say if we did this move. Yeah. Oh, don't give me that garbage. So this is yeah, I don't know. I can't say no, but it doesn't look likely. Just my opinion. I mean, hey, do your research. It could, and I could be missing out. Yeah, XLM's listed on Coinbase Pro, and I was just looking for the actual official list there. Yeah, Bitcoin's just like holy schmoly, right? Is EVX oversold? That's what I'm saying. I don't think so, in my opinion. Because this was driven off of news, not rumor, where it caught everyone by surprise. So this one actually, I think, has a good chance to consolidate up here. It's a technological shift in value. So it was trading down here, so I'm expecting the same old BS it had down here just to continue up here. Its value went up. Boom, just like that. And that's what happens. Can it come down? Absolutely. Will it? It's still going up, so we'll see. So, Tuxnor says, traders will sell XRP soon. Been stable too long. No mooning possible right now. For XRP? Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, you said XRP. Yeah, XRP. Yeah, I don't see anything going on for XRP. It's, I'll show you my XRP thing. Oh, Coinbase is busy. They must be going crazy on volume. Okay, let's click XRP again now. It won't let me click XRP. I hit F5 again. There. Let me blow this up. Put auto on. See this yellow line? I drew that long time ago when it was about right around in this area here. Said, yeah, that's kind of like what I think of XRP. And it's actually followed that little curve there pretty much to a T. I was quite impressed of the odds of that happening. But yeah, as you can see, I have a box. Boom, ate through it, ate through that box. So I'm waiting for this box. I guess you could turn the chart upside down and you could call that mooning. But anyway, what is this? Great big head and shoulders pattern, right? Right, guys? Yeah. I'm actually being kind here. That's more realistic. And as far as XRP, when I'm interested in it again, won't be around this area. That's when I'll start looking at XRP again, if at all. I love Ripple. XRP, best of luck to everyone. I could be completely wrong and the thing could just absolutely moon in minutes. The thing is with XRP is that, yeah, it hasn't been stable. What's going on with XRP is that it was pumped tremendously. They were using paid YouTubers. I had one of the viewers that was at a like a meetup type of thing. That was, kind of a somewhat of a big deal, and it's giving me boots on the ground intel. Okay, so we had Humint and human intel of him seeing, let's put it this way, those deals being made with YouTubers. Couldn't believe it. Can I say that for sure? No, I can't, because it's like second hand of second hand. But it if you just, and after he said that, it took about a few days, and then all of a sudden all these XRP things started coming out, and it was like relentless. Okay, and then came the money, the injection of the money, and to make XRP go up the way it did, that's not the buyers like you and me, guys. Okay, we can't do that. Well, I mean, yeah, if he had the millions, right? But we really can't do that for the most part. Not in that short a time frame. All right, in that short a time frame, that's very, very a small group or an individual. Boom. That does that on that time frame. So anyway, influx of money, bump it up, distribution, loading off the bags. The bags were heavy. It took a lot of effort to push that up. Okay, a lot of effort. Look, you have all the Wyckoff stuff. Okay, let's go look at Wyckoff. What do we have here? We have a big, huge downward sell. Okay, and then so we have our this is like our automatic rally here, right? And so we draw the lines from the top and the bottom. Oh, look how that lines up. Isn't that interesting? And so what they do is that they go and they test the top. Okay, let's go down to test the bottom. Okay, let's go up. Okay, can we make this any cheaper? Can we dump it? That's as far as it goes. All right, let's buy. Oh, okay, let's go up a bit. Oh, okay, that was easy. That was fairly easy to bump it up here. Okay, let's take it down. Oh no, it's not going down that far. Because why? Because we have a majority of the coins and we're not selling. Okay, so supply's gone. Okay, so let's give it a little push, create the FOMO. Boom, FOMO. Okay, here's some people, they get all excited. Let's put in a little bit more. Boom, more FOMO. Okay, a little bit more FOMO. Dump, 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 dump. We're still dumping. We're still dumping. We got to get out. But we can't let these people know that this is stealth mode. This is distribution, man. This is what Wyckoff is all about. So you can say, yeah, this is distribution. Do I think it's going to go into redistribution? No, I think it's going to dump. And then it's going to do one of these things right here. Yeah, I know, that looks like crap. It'll take me half an hour to clean up my screen now. But it's going to do, like where I just did the orange thing. It's going to do one of these big red dumps. Boom. And so, yeah, we're looking at down to this level, maybe even lower. And I'm thinking lower. And then if I, for me, I'm looking for it to go low, for it to come up, and then for it to dump again. And then that's when I'll start looking at it. And I think that will be right around in this range down here. Could be totally wrong. What is that range down there? This is on, well, let's go over to versus USD. Boom, boom, same thing. That would be right around, yeah, that's... I'd actually be interested in XRP again. I would actually say below 2 cents, I guess. 2 cents is when I'll be reinterested in XRP. Anyway, love Ripple. They're doing a fantastic job with their X current, right? Well, then Peter says, what should we buy? Well, do your research, okay? And Coins the research is, well, take a look at Zilliqa. Take a look at VeChain for sure, okay? I must have like 100 videos on VeChain. It's up 7% as we speak. Let me put the auto on. There. Notice that you get it when it goes down and goes up, and then you watch for a big dump. That's when you get in. It's still relatively low for what this coin is. Look at this pattern. It goes down, then goes up, then it dumps. That's when you get in, right? Larger pattern. It goes down. Crap. Here. It goes... What the bloody hell? Okay. Okay, so it goes down. Then it goes up. And then it dumps. Right? Huge, larger pattern. Very, very large pattern, which is the same as this right here. You see that? So that's where we are. Is it too late? No, it's not too late. Does anybody talk about that? No. Look at that, it's perfect. Show it to you again. Let's pick blue. So the pattern is here we're looking at. Goes down, up, then dumps hard, right? Little Shazam type of lightning bolt, if that helps you remember. Down, up, dumps hard. See that? Isn't that interesting? Check out VeChain Vet. I'm not saying buy, saying do your research on them. Right now, they are having a good day, up almost 8%, and that's on USD. I've been talking about these guys for a long time, so congratulations to all those vet holders out there, yay. There's also Zilliqa, Hollow, that's HOT, Ambrosis. Check out the Key, check out Matrix AI. There's some good projects out there, guys. Do your research, okay? Oh, LTC's going up? Really? Did a video on that yesterday, right? It's up 8%. Wonder what CMC is, because there must have just been a shit ton of funds injected, right? So it's at 158 plus or minus 80 billion, right? So right now it's saying 158. Bitcoin dominance 51.5. Okay, everything is up except that crypto.com thing. Yeah, who cares? Oh yeah, so this is like one of the things that these are like exciting times. Notice the time, it's 10 o'clock, little after 10 Pacific Standard Time. It's when exciting things happen that I found. And so when I trade, it's at this time instead of during the day. Yeah, people on sidelines jumping in, right? Elastos went up 100% in a few weeks, yeah. Oh, what's the price of Evrex on Binance? I don't know. We can go take a look real quick. Okay, Binance is just going crazy with volume. Let me hit F5 again. There's hot. Up 15%. This is versus ETH, okay? Let me try fuel. Let me try ETC. It's like damn locked up. Let me try EVX now. Doesn't like EVX. Let's go to BTC. EVX. Don't know. It's not working, man. Try it one more time. Not pulling it up. Binance is getting slammed right now in volume. Let me go ahead and kill that. Yeah, it took a dump. Down 4%. Interesting. So that's dumping. Liquidity's getting out of it. Not too excited. Also notice increase in volatility. You're also looking at not just the spikes, but also the candles, the highs and the lows. So you have a diverging pattern. Whoops. Everybody has like it's going like that. It's making a mouth. Okay? Some people like that, some don't. But anyway, this could be fun to trade, but you know, hey, it's your call. Because you could say, oh yeah, it's going to go down, it's going to come up here, it's going to bounce back up, and then yeah, it could come up here to finish off that BART pattern, yeah. Could continue to dump all the way down. There's lots of things to it. What I would do though is check, do your research on anything before you go and I can't even tell you that. Follow your gut, follow your instincts, okay? That I can tell you. Follow your guts, follow your instincts. Don't follow what I say, whatever you do. I'm just here like pointing stuff out. See, like here's a Bart, big ass Bart. Came down. I call it a box pattern. You can just think of a big box here. So money comes out, get some stuff here, then whammo. Big old box. Anyway, I don't hold it. Yeah, it's lagging big time. So here on this is on TradingView. I don't know what the price is, but looks like it's going down right now. This is on the 5 minute. This is on the 5 minute, okay? Hey, Hanjo, how's it going? Aloha. Yeah, high tides raise all boats. Yeah, kind of, sometimes. Sometimes it goes down, and the ones, when it hits the, sometimes the boats are just not built strong enough, and so the rocks at the bottom of where they're anchored, they basically make a big hole in the bottom of the boat. So when the tide rises, hey, they're still sunk at the bottom. But right now, looks like Everett's climbing back up. Looks like that was just a test down to the low, perhaps. We'll see. We'll see how high it's going. But yeah, it went all the way down here, and we'll see where it goes. A lot of volatility right now in the market. That's the interesting thing. This is like the most exciting day that we've had in a while. It went up with too low volume, right? No, that's the thing. For BTC, it was going to go up with low volume. That's one of the signs you're looking for. You look for decreasing volume, and decreasing volatility, because that means that the composite operator has a lot of the coins. They have a lot of the coins, and they're not selling. So when they can make a move, they can make a small move, and it will create an exponentially larger move than normal in the market, and that's what they're testing. So the reason they're doing that is so that they can bump it way up high like this with the minimum amount of effort to get people to FOMO, and then they can dump their bags at much higher levels. And then what happens is that if more buyers come in from the FOMO, from externals, or people go out and get loans or whatever, so there's a new influx of liquidity. What they'll do is that sometimes they'll do what's called a reaccumulation, where they'll drop it down here again, check out the volatility, and if it looks like enough people up here have the money to bring it back up, they'll let it go up, and then they'll dump their bags, and then they'll buy, and then they'll dump their bags at even a higher price. So you can think of that as what they're doing is dollar cost dumping. They're dollar cost dumping. But yeah, the low volume thing, we talked about that in my video last night, so go ahead and watch that. Where we talked about BTC. I put like 90,000 BTC was on the title. Go to the channel, watch that if you hadn't, and then it goes over the volume things, okay? But yeah, it's one of the things you look for in Wyckoff. When did BTC hit 4,600? I don't know, dude. It took about a second. We were watching it here. When did it hit 4,600? Whoops. Look at that. It's eating through that box. It almost went up to the top of that box with that wick right there. That's at 5. It went above 5,000, guys. See? Total lack of respect. Total disrespect for all the TA people out there. Total disrespect for them. It just blew through all their lines. TA has its uses though. Don't get me wrong. It's a tool, okay? Some people can use it, some can't. What am I at? There's the 5 minute. Let's go the 1 minute. We're looking for 46. This line. Boom, right there. April 1st at 21:50 hours. There you go. That's when it hit. Approximately, because yeah, it went up pretty quick. It just blew through that bad boy. And yeah, this thing's still going up like a bat out of hell. So this line up here, 5,100. So went up to the 5,100 big even, got rejected, and it is still climbing. Is there any news? Okay, here's something here. We'll see what this says. Oh, would help if I scrolled down. Let me get some coffee, man. Qcoin. I like Qcoin. Okay, it says the total crypto market cap is accelerating higher above 140 billion resistance level. Bitcoin Cash price is about to clear $170 resistance level. Tron, Cardano, IOTA. Yeah, don't forget it's actually a myota. Million. Crypto market climbing higher. Solid gains. Okay. Market cap even broke to 139 and 140. Yeah, we just looked at it and it was what, 158? 158. Let me F5 it. You guys remember what it was like earlier today? It's not, I really don't look at CMC. Look at this right here. Bitcoin in 1 hour, 14.4%. Oh yeah, that's a lovely thing. Oh, VeChain is now up to 23. Yay. 7%, 12%, 23%, 49%. Yeah, we're still in a bear market, guys. Bear market. Definite signs of bearishness. Grrr. Hope you guys prepared for it, man. Gave you the time. Best of luck to you. And it is just tearing through that box. If you guys have seen these videos, you know I've had those on there for a while. Yeah, XRP head and shoulders to the downside. Yeah, that's what I have. Big ass, huge, enormous. So I'm interested in XRP again when it hits around the 2-3 cent level. Then I'll take a look at it again. Tick, tick, boom. DGB, yeah, don't forget about DGB, guys. Let's look at DGB. Did it explode? This is on the 1 minute. So it went up and then, wow. Okay, so that's interesting. Big sign of weakness there. Couldn't hold or maintain it. Interesting. Let's go look at it on the 15 minute. What the heck. Okay, still, that shot everything up. So this was a... but look at the enormous volume on the sell. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? They're testing the markets across multiple coins. And I've been expecting this across numerous coins. Went up a little bit higher than I thought, but I've been expecting a Jedi. Yeah, it's coming back down. That's a little bit, let's hope it stays up, okay? It's going back up. Day's a little young. Digibite's a pretty strong, I mean, it's a tortoise, okay? There's a lot of people here that are saying, oh my god, thank god, I can cash out or whatever. People taking profits. But, way cool. So congrats to Digibite. Went up to almost 16 cents. Yay. We'll see how far it goes. Hey, Gabriel. Long live and prosper, DGB. Absolutely. Okay, well, this was quite exciting. Anyway, I got to call it and take off. We'll see what it does, right? Interesting times. We'll see what it does. This is BTC. Yeah, it's hanging in there pretty hard. So, yeah, let's go to the 4 hour. Joom. Yeah, it went up quicker than I thought, and I'm okay with that. So, yeah, that is pretty awesome. That is, yeah, so it came up to about here. No respect. Just no respect for any of these supports. Well, there isn't any. I mean, just, zoop. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified of when I drop these videos, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Catch you later. Bye.